Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, October 22, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. Just a little tired from the long day yesterday, you?
I'm fine. This coffee is what I need. It's a busy week, isn't it?
Yes, very busy, meetings every hour. Did you hear the latest news?
Yeah, I saw something about the US and China. Tariffs again, crazy stuff.
Right. The New York Times had a story on it. From October 14, Trump's trade war with China is affecting everyone.
Tell me about it. They say tariffs and restrictions are making prices go up all over.
Exactly. It's controversial because it hits businesses hard, like ours with imports.
Oh yeah, we get parts from China for our products. Now costs will rise.
That's the problem. Customers might buy less. How does it change your sales work?
It makes it tough. I have to explain higher prices. People get mad.
I understand. In projects we plan budgets. This could mess them up.
Totally. Remember last year? Similar thing happened. Sales dropped a bit.
Yes, we had to adjust. Hope this doesn't last. Pass the milk, please.
Here you go. Governments always fight over trade. Makes my head spin.
It does, but maybe it pushes us to find local suppliers. Good for jobs here.
True. Silver lining, I guess. Anyway, enough about that. What about tech news?
Oh, the EU AI Act. It's big now. The Washington Post covered it recently.
Yeah, October 18 article. The act is fully in place. Companies must share AI data.
Correct, it's to make AI safe. But tech companies complain about the rules.
I bet. They say it costs too much money and time, slows down new tech.
That's the controversy. Safety versus speed. We use AI in our office tools.
We do. For reports and stuff. Now we might need to check data sources.
Probably. It could mean more training for the team, extra work.
More meetings, I hate that. But is it good for users?
I think so, less fake stuff online. Makes tech more reliable.
Fair point. In sales, I use AI for customer emails. If it's safer, okay.
Right? But for project managers like me, it affects planning software.
Yeah. Our software might change. Updates coming soon, I guess?
Likely? Europe leads on this. US might follow. What do you think?
It's smart. But don't make it too hard for small businesses like us.
Agreed, balance is key. Hey, sugar?
Sure. Now this other news about media trust, saw it on CNN.
Yes, October 19 poll. People trust Trump more on economy than news media.
Wild, right? The poll shows low trust in media. Very controversial.
It is. Many say media has bias, affects how we see the world.
In the office, we talk news a lot. If we can't trust it, what do we do?
Good question. For projects, I need facts. Wrong info leads to bad choices.
Exactly. Like that time the report was off. We fixed it quick.
Yes, checked sources. This poll makes people question everything.
Yeah, even entertainment news. People turn to social media now.
True. Faster but not always right. Subscriptions to papers drop.
I see that. Friends cancel news apps. Go to TikTok or something.
It's a society change. Trust is hard to build back.
Totally. In sales, trust matters most. Same for news.
Absolutely. We build trust with clients daily. Media should too.
Hey, remember that funny ad? Media tried to be fun but failed.
Huh, yes. Made us laugh in the break room.
Good times. This poll shakes things. What will happen next?
Hard to say. More debates, I think. People want honest reporting.
Right, we do too for work news, like company updates.
Exactly. Clear info helps everyone. No confusion.
Smart. Well, this coffee is great. Helps start the day.
It does. I feel better now. Ready for the morning.
Me too. But that tariff news worries me. Clients ask about prices.
Prepare answers. Say we're working on solutions.
Good tip. Thanks for AI. Maybe our IT guy knows more.
I'll ask him. Keep us updated.
Will do. The media thing, I read more now. Check facts.
Wise, I do the same. Helps in meetings.
Yeah, sounds smart. Hey, your coffee looks good.
Thanks, Black Strong. Like yours?
With milk, sweeter. Anyway, time flies here.
It does. I have a project call soon.
Me too, sales meeting. See you later.
Bye, David. Have a good day.
You too, Alex.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.